Bonjour, baddies. Welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, in the original 1999 US version of the game show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, the dollar values of each question were as shown in the following table. So, when you first glance at the table, between which two consecutive questions is the percent increase of the value the smallest. But when you first see the table, you can see that the majority of the numbers are doubled from the consecutive numbers, like 500,000 and 1 million between 14 and 15. That's an increase of 100%. Between 14 and 13, that's also an increase of 100%. Between 10 and 9, 8 and 9, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, so on, so on. But you might see some that actually catch your eye that don't actually increase by 100%. And that would be 11 and 12, since a double of 64,000 would be 1 to 8,000. Between 2 and 3, and between 3 and 4. So now we just need to rule out which one is the smallest. So between 11 and 12, like I said, 64,000's double is 1 to 8,000. And that's very, very, very close to doubled. To 100% more. So let's just leave that one for now and look at 3, 4, so just these three in consecutive order. So 2 and 3, between 2 and 3, to calculate what percentage increase there is, it would be 3 minus 2, which would be 100, divided by 2's number again. So 300 minus 200, which is 100. 300 minus 200 over 200, which is basically equivalent to 1 over 2, because 100 over 200 is 1 over 2, which is an increase of only 50%. Meanwhile, between 4 and 3, 500 minus 300, which is 200, 200 over 300, that's 2/3. 2/3 is obviously greater than 1/2. That means that between the distance between 2 and 3, the value increase is the smallest. So between 2 and 3. Moving on to problem number 2. Carl bought 5 folders from Paylot at a cost of $2.50 each. Paylot had a 20% off sale the following day. How much could Carl have saved on the purchase by waiting a day? So since he bought 5 folders from Paylot at a cost of $2.50 each, and since multiplication is also commutative, if we go 5 times 250, and since they had a 20% off sale the following day, multiply by 20%, which is also equivalent of 0.2, but still, you would get, since 20% is 1/5, 1/5 times 5, which is 1, so it's just $2.50. He could have saved enough money to buy another folder. That's a lot for just a folder, but okay. Anyway, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new, and I will see you all on the next one, most hopefully. Bye-bye.